Do you like it?
I didn't expect it to look this different. It was like a pile of rubble beforehand is what it felt like, and now it's like a proper floor.
So you like the floor?
I really like the floor.
It's good for the gym
It's
equipment.
firm and it's level, which is what I didn't expect, because before it was all over the place. When we kind of had a carpet in here before, and
what about?
It's even cut round all the pipework.
Yeah. What about the storage? Have you got plenty of storage?
I think there's more storage here than we're probably ever going to use. So that's great.
Excellent.
I mean, it's a usable room now.
Excellent.
That we didn't have before. Before it was just a place where we dumped stuff.
Well,
And now it's a usable room. I'm really, really impressed.
I'm pleased you like it, and congratulations on winning the prize.
I cannot say thank you enough. This is
It's a pleasure.
I didn't expect it to come out like this. That's all I can say.
Excellent.